Friends, today the Chapter 9, Unit 9, Fundations test. You're going to need a piece of paper that looks like this, two-sided, put your name on both sides. You have two options on this. You can watch this video over in the computer lab, or we can do it together, full group. It's helpful to be over in the classroom because all the Fundation trick words are on the wall. So if you're watching this video and you need to sneak over and look at the wall, you're more than welcome to. So you're going to start on this side, number 1. We're going to do some sounds. You need the sounds for number 1 that make the long E. So number 1, E. Number 1, E. There's more than one sound for number 1 that makes the E sound. Number 2, er. Number 2, er. Number 1 has 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3. Number 2 has 3 sounds that make sound. 1, 2, 3. Those are controlled syllables that make the sound for number 2. So number 1 is E. Number 2 is Number 3, R. What letters make the R sound? R. Number 4, or. There are 2 combinations of letters that make the OR sound. Or. And number 5, w. There are 2 combinations of letters, or one letter and a combination of letters that make the W sound. This is a review. W. Think about digraphs, think about letters. W. Again, if you didn't hear those sounds and you need to go back, just move the video back, listen to the sounds again. Number 1 in the word section. Dirty. Let's tap it out. Ready? D, t, e. Dirty. Dirty. D, t, e. 2 are controlled syllables. Dirty. My clothes were dirty. I put them in the wash. Dirty. D, t, e. Think about what letter goes at the end of a word to make that E sound. Number 2, chapter. There's a chapter in the book. Let's tap out the first syllable in chapter. Ready? Ch-ap. Ch-ap. T-er. T-er. Chapter. There are 17 chapters in the book. You need to write the word chapter. Chapter. Ch-ap. Ch-ap. T-er. T-er. Number 3, sturdy. The table is very sturdy. Sturdy. Let's tap this one out. First syllable. S-t-er. S-t-er. Stir. And second syllable. D-e. D-e. Sturdy. S-t-er. D-e. Sturdy. Number 4, corner. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. Let's tap out corner, 2 syllables. K-or. N-er. So first syllable, here we go. Tap it out with your fingers. K-or. Second syllable. N-er. K-or-n-er. Corner. Remember what our control syllable goes at the end of a word always. And the last but not least, number 5 is termite. Termite. Here we go, 2 syllables. R controlled syllable and a vowel consonant E. Here we go, termite. T-er. T-er. Might. M-I-te. M-I-te. Termite. Trick words, number 1. Number 1, brother. I have one brother. His name is Zach. Brother. Brother. Trick words on the board. And number 2, earth. The earth has oceans and land. Earth. 1 is brother. 2 is earth. 2 sentences that I'll repeat numerous times. Number 1 is, you will learn cursive in the 3rd term. You will learn, trick word, trick word, trick word on the board. You will learn cursive in the 3rd term. You will learn cursive in the 3rd term. Cursive is one of the you have to tap out. Here we go, cursive. 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 You will learn cursive in the 3rd. Let's tap out 3rd. 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 And then term. Let's tap that one out. Term. You will learn cursive in the 3rd term. You will learn cursive in the 3rd term. You will learn cursive in the 3rd term. And number 2 down here at the bottom. My mother and father have returned from church. My mother, trick word, and father, trick word, have returned. Tap this one out. Return. Ready? E. Earn. E. Open syllable. Earn. Second syllable. So here's your first syllable. E. And then turn is your second syllable. Earn. And a suffix. Returned. Suffix that makes that sound. From church. My mother and father have returned from church. Let's tap out church. Ready? Ch. Digraph. Ch. Digraph. Ch. Ch. My mother and father have returned from church. You get done. Put your name on it. Turn it in. Both sides.